Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to. I know my hair's a mess. Welcome back to my channel. So we're not going to do a 5th grade girls. No. Or 5th grade boys part 2. But we're actually going to be testing some products. So this is what we're going to be testing. This is the Make Your Own Squish Me. So, I did already open this. There's actually stuff in here though. It's just on the floor. So you have to be 6 years and up to do this. Dad, I can't do this. I'm not 6 yet.
Oh, shut up.
Anyways, we're at my dad's house. So you have to be 6 years old or older, and I'm not 6 yet, so I guess I can't do this. But there's be quiet. I'm doing a video here. Do you mind?
Yeah, I do mind when you run your mouth towards me.
Shut up. I'll chop this at you. I dare you. Anyway, so you have the ring light. Well, my ring light that I use.
Shut up. I'm watching TV.
Shut up, Father.
Yeah, watching TV. Watching Love After Lockup.
You're watching what?
Love After Lockup.
Love
That's
After
after jailbirds falling in love.
I know what it is. Thank you very much. Oh, yeah. And if we get early, can you please? Daddy?
No.
This dang guy won't put this curtain up. I'm making a video. Do you mind? Cake, cupcake, and ice cream. So, oh, that's hard. So, here's the little box everything came in. And here's how big it is. As big as a person's nose. So, this is... Ew, that stinks. Ew. Dar, don't smell these squishies, they stink.
Wait a minute, how did he?
Here's the ice cream cone. Ice cream cone.
Yeah, it's a new one. It's a night show.
Here's the cake. I kind of put some, what's it called?
It's a night show.
Puffy paint on it. And I was oh God, it does not dry fast. I was testing it on the cupcake. So here's the cupcake so far. Just gonna keep letting that do its thing. Anyway, so it comes with a brush, and a foam brush. Where's the paint? Anyway, so let's put this aside. That's just a cupcake.
I've been in hops for 2.5 months. It's a great feeling to actually be in a regular single life. It's fun. So come on, so I can finish doing my makeup. But also, I don't know anybody. I'm originally from Texas, so I don't have any friends.
Sweet.
His mom wouldn't even answer the phone for me.
Anyway,
I'm ready to be accepted.
so I actually went to the store and bought some mixers. So we're gonna be mixing. Oh God.
Now that Tracy's getting off roll, we can just start a normal life together. I just gotta make sure that she won't walk it out.
I've been locked up since 2006, in and out. This is the first time a decade that I'm free.
You of all people should know that. It's Carter.
Dad, be quiet.
Except my next fix. You know, in order to
So if you hear my dad cussing in the background, sorry.
faith in me?
Okay,
This is important, okay?
so I'm gonna mix red
It's all.
and this purple.
I want you to know that. Okay?
It's actually called lilac. So red and lilac to equal French rose. And we're gonna see how
I need
that
somebody
works.
to be there for me always.
I promise, everything will go great. And after today, in 48 hours, when I sign that damn certificate, we are off to Mother Vegas, baby.
Yes. Logically, it's not the best idea to take someone who's gotten off parole to Vegas, but she's my goddess, and I want to give her whatever she wants. Whoa, that one feels familiar.
Some silk suits instead.
Oh, man, I'm cool, right?
Maybe tonight, we talked about going to dinner and stuff. Maybe you can, text your mom.
Your time. Oh my God.
Just love to go and meet her from their house and try to be a dominant.
now time to mix in lilac.
Well, I want you to be one too. You just gotta prove to her that's all good. And you know the best way to prove to her?
Actions.
Actions. Exactly. My mom's concerns about Tracy's mainly is that she's an addict and that she'll relapse and go back to her old
You see that?
ways.
Is that dry? No, it's not dry.
Anything to you, like,
No, I mean, no.
Ew.
I haven't really talked to
in
her.
her mind to me, she said something. I worry a lot if his mom doesn't accept me, that our marriage won't work. Since his mom has a really high influence on him, I am worried that he might leave me. I just want to meet her. I feel like you're like hiding me from her, or how the other girls like to meet her.
Okay.
Yeah, but no other girls, friends of mine, stole it.
Now I'm gonna add some puff paint.
And some face masks.
That is a little too thick.
Okay, now pull it down so it's not fire.
You're the one that's putting it on, so you should. Right.
The past year of my life
Oh
has been
yes.
a complete storm.
So this is what I'm gonna put on the cake. That pink.
The love of my life, like we would be living together, he wouldn't be in jail, and
That's
that
sticky.
wouldn't happen.
I need to get back. That's my PO. Pump up. I'm supposed to be there 10 minutes ago.
My son has been arrested. He's been away for the next 4 months. That's all I have to tell you.
What do you think I am? Why don't you tell me who you are? Like, you're
Fucking
not about to
nag,
sit
you
here and
whore.
question me.
Dad, watch language.
What?
Watch language.
What?
Watch your language, please.
Mhm.
Huh?
Okay,
Thank you.
sorry.
That's actually my.
I'm in my parents' bathroom.
Welcome to the TV.
Yeah, we can tell. You love doing that. That's your favorite thing ever.
Hello. Hey, Ray.
I thought I was having a conversation with someone. Maybe we started to do it.
I'm with B. I'm sitting here just telling him how we're talking again. He didn't know that we're like back together.
When you coming to Texas?
It's like house arrest, basically. Ankle bracelet, all that. Lazy.
So, I went to the store earlier when I bought this stuff.
My friends came to know what we do with my friends.
And I brought some extra brushes because,
But at the same time, the love is
well, I did.
that
So this
I'm not
is the type of brush I bought. I already took it out of the packaging. And here's what it looks like. It's so pretty. So I need the smallest one
I
here.
think she's like due any day. I'm not sure. I don't like her
And these are so soft.
as a person. And then like on Twitter and like all that other stuff, like I can already tell like she's not somebody I would ever, hang out with. Social media, her and I went in on each other on Twitter.
So I'm going to be using this one.
Beef between me and her.
beef with Day Day and Michael's sister. Like, I don't have time for that.
So that's what I'm going to be using for like the little thing. Okay, so for the top icing, we're going to do a blue.
I feel that she needs this time to find a potential person that will treat her better, not lie to her, and hold back information in regards to the whole family that he has on the side. And what else does he hide?
I still have questions like, what made you do this? In person, you can't like hide behind the whole face of that. I don't think Michael truly
So yes, I will
all the lies and deception. That's still
clean these brushes when I'm done with them.
like he doesn't want to be with her.
Just so you guys know, yes, I am going to clean it because I just think that is wrong. If you don't clean your brushes after using them for art.
I'm confronting the lies and
Oh yes. So this is kind of like a girl or boy cake because the bottom's pink and the top's blue. I just kind of realized that. That's cute.
Are you okay?
So I'm gonna take my brush,
maybe Tracy.
dip it in.
I want to confront her.
Oh my god.
Bring everybody to face the music.
Oh, scratch my back right there. What was that for?
She sees me for who I am, whether I make bad mistakes or not.
Your mom is gonna flip out.
I don't want to marry a guy that's locked up.
Like, you died!
Get charged for an all-new season of Love After Lockup, returning this August on WeTV.
Hold on, I need.
Are you freaking kidding me?
You know?
This August.
No, Lolo.
Oh,
Hello, Low Western Need. Women who know what's in your pill matters as much as what's on your plate. No, Low Western FE, the birth control pill that provides pregnancy prevention with the lowest daily dose of estrogen. It may also result in short, lighter periods.
Serious risks of birth control pills include blood clot, stroke, and heart attack, which can be fatal. Smoking increases these risks, especially if you're over 35, so Lolo Western FE users should not smoke. Don't take the pill if you've had any of these conditions or high blood pressure that medicine can't control. Certain cancers, liver disease, unexplained vaginal bleeding, or taking hepatitis C drugs, or if you could be pregnant. Ask your doctor about Lolo, the #1 prescribed growth.
So no cake artist will be perfect unless you work for a real cake company.
Yes, you do.
I'm gonna put this thing here and then point it down.
Then bring one home for tomorrow. On us. Buy one, take one. For a limited time, only at Olive Garden.
Buy one, take one. No, this is a limited time at Olive Garden.
I use Angie's List because it's free. Free to read reviews.
Check their ratings. They can even match my project to qualified pros.
Go to angieslist.com today.
So, if you feel like sitting for like 6.5 hours painting, this is the product for you. So I'm not speeding none of this up because you people like to sit here with me. So, if you are gonna wait till the whole video to leave. Okay, now time for the purple again.
Pringles Wavy, with a big new crunch and totally different flavors. They're not really Pringles. Just like that's not really Daddy.
Yes, it is.
Okay. New Pringles Wavy. They're not Pringles.
Still looking for a dry skin solution? Try Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. It helps stop dryness from recurring by going beyond ceramides with natural moisturizing factors found in skin. Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion for healthier looking skin.
Oh god.
Warning, this product contains nicotine. Nicotine is an addictive chemical. Innovation has changed the world, moving us all forward. Isn't it time smoking changed too? At Views, we push the possibilities of vapor so that every decision, every detail goes into creating what smokers really want. Real draw, real taste, real satisfaction. Views Alto. is here.
Yeah, you know, it's needed, right?
So I'm actually not going to do the bottom of a lot of these, only so they can stand up. So, it's done. Oh, not all the way, but I just touched that. So this is almost dry. So I'm going to sit just a little bit longer. Is that brown? You're telling me you're going to make me make a brown? How do you make brown? I don't have brown in here, so I am not making brown. Oh yes, so we did get everything from Five and Below. This cost a total of $5 because there are 12 acrylic paint tubes in here. So, yes. Burnt umber.
That goes together. Yeah. Shirley's my best friend. I've known her close to 15 years. I don't think Shirley's ever been interested in me.
I'm just going to peel this sticker off to see what it says underneath.
Jealousy towards Elizabeth, especially. She hated Elizabeth.
Do you need a belt or anything, or just those two?
It's better than that shoelace that you wear. Yeah.
So it says super coverage, vivid colors, vivid colors. I'm actually not going to do the brown until like everything is dry. Of ice cream. Should I just do a chocolate ice cream?
Who cares how much
And I'll do
it costs?
vanilla.
This is for you. It's your turn. Last time you spent a lot of money on Lizzie,
Okay.
but you didn't spend anything on yourself.
Wait.
I spent $100,000. I'm probably $50,000 in debt, but I have a new job. I actually like the job. Pays good. Most of the extra money goes to my bills that she had made.
So I'm actually going to do just fruit punch. No, I'm just going to do the black because
I've never fallen out of love with her. I always have hope, and it makes it hard to look for somebody. As long as I can treat her nice, I think that's
oh
possible.
no, not my new brushes.
I hope so. Well, let me tell you this. In the beginning, do not tell her all your personal business. Listen rather than talk so much. Listen.
Last Monday, I was just listening to her footsteps at the door.
Oh, brother. I'm nervous. Really? I'm nervous, but I'm like excited.
I'm going to give myself a little tattoo.
Good, good. We'd like to get a couple tattoos.
Dad, I said I was going to give my little self a tattoo.
Okay. There's your
My
notebook.
phone's
Show me
on
your
that.
tattoo.
15. Right? So I gave myself a tattoo, right? And then they said, oh, we're looking for tattoos. So I'm only going to do one real fast.
What a difference.
Everybody's ready?
Yes, we're ready. Let's do this. Coming out of prison after doing 10 years, I felt free. I felt like the luckiest woman alive.
So this is going to be like a dark.
Are you serious? Don't. Are you really that scared? Not really, just like when I first started.
A darker skin tone. That's what we'll call this. The darker skin tone.
Jasmine have been inseparable. She lives about 4 hours away from me, so I don't get to see her that often. But anytime I have a question, I call her and ask for her advice. She's kind of like the mom in the relationship. It's really awesome and amazing.
Childbirth is worse, right?
Oh, 10 million times worse. That's why you get the epidural and morphine and Demerol. You don't feel nothing.
It feels like pretty like amazing to like actually like have my mom and have like this like bonding time with her, you know. So how do you feel about like being on your own?
So,
It feels amazing being on my own. I'm so independent now. I have my own job.
why is Facebook?
Scott. I actually work in a factory. I don't take my clothes off. I don't.
Instagram's texting, Facebook's texting.
But I still make great money.
Right now while I'm in the middle of a video.
For our tattoo.
Right.
I'm paying for our tattoo.
And look who's right. Me. I was like the whole entire time while you were with Scott, you didn't listen to me, and I told you. How many times did I tell you to stay away from her?
My daughter is ecstatic that I'm not with Scott anymore. She was just like, why are you doing this? She's like, nope, he's a bad dude. He's a bad dude. She kept saying it. And I really wish that he would have just, kept it real with me. Got me a car? I apologize, but this car has been declined. But
It's like, oh yes,
with him,
I'm gonna get that rash later.
part of me, but still has feelings for Scott.
So you're not seeing
Hold on, let me put the
No, but I have
other
date
side on.
that's coming up, and I met him like on Tinder, so
I'm happy that you're looking.
Why would you meet someone on Tinder and then go on a date with them?
protect
Comment below.
Yeah, not controlling, but can like kind of, you know, like just like team you know. I feel like with Scott, she wasn't.
Okay, so I'm gonna hurry up and do
I feel like who she had to
the.
like.
Okay, so that's kind of the video here. So, peace out. Peace, love you guys. So, bye. I will see you guys in the next video, which I might be doing in like a couple minutes from now after I turn my phone. I mean my camera. So, peace. Love you guys. Bye.